Hello students, this is going to be our new project for the next few days. It's a no representation project. You're going to do it individually. It's going to be so much easier from your house. You'll have plenty of time. So what is the topic about? It's endangered species, so any kind of species that are becoming endangered, which means that in our scientific classification they're less and less for one reason or another, and that's going to be the objective of this oral presentation, explaining us why did that species become endangered. So to help you, you're going to receive a PDF that explains what to place on every of your slides, as you can see here on the left. I don't want more than 12 slides, and on each of these slides there is an explanation of what do I want. Okay. On the right side, as you can see, based on what Lourdes and Cristina Guitar did last year, it's going to help you understand the characteristic that I want on each slide. For example, slide number two, I just want a beautiful picture of the chosen species. They did it well. Slide number three, I want an explanation of the morphology. How do I want this? There's a visual explanation. What else? The problem is this: how do you choose your endangered species? You need to go on Google, and as you can see, it's based on what we call the red lists. Here on slide number 6, it's a species based on the IUCN red list. What is it? You write red list on Google. You click on the first link, iucnredlist.org, and then here is a special website that includes all the endangered species you can find on Earth right now. Okay. Now to help you a little bit, how do you choose your own species? Make sure you choose a species that you know not many people will choose, otherwise everybody will have the same one. You click on Advance, and then here on the left, I would say click through habitats and try to find one habitat that you like. I don't know, I'm going to choose savanna. I click on the arrow, and the problem is this: all these animals, as you can see here based on the red tag, they're not all endangered. So what do you need to do? It's red list category, and you want at least critically endangered or endangered. And now you can scroll down and try to find out which one you really like. Okay, if you like, let's say, the Calaminian deer, as you can see, is endangered. This is a scale that you will need to reuse in your PowerPoint, and it tells you all the different characteristics that you would like to do. Now, the thing is this: you won't find all the information related to your species here, but you'll have a great map to find out where can you find that species. Okay, that's going to be useful for one of the slides, but you'll need to use Google to find more information. Okay, this is the project. If you have any questions, just send me an email, and I'll try to answer it back as soon as I can. Bye!